Imalsha's Research Guide. Research guidance for students and professionals.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Imalsha's Research Guide. If you have been following along, you already know we have downloaded, installed, and set up NVivo successfully. Now in episode 5, we are stepping right into workspace. Let's explore the NVivo 15 home screen together.
How does the NVivo 15 home screen work? Complete walkthrough for researchers.
When you first open NVivo 15, this is the screen you will see, the home or welcome screen. This is like a dashboard, your command center where everything begins. Right at the Right at the top, you can find the button to purchase NVivo once you are ready to upgrade from the trial. On the left-hand side, we have got the recent project panel. This area will display any projects you have recently worked on, so you can jump back in with a single click. Since this is a fresh installation, it says no recent project to display. But once you start working, your project list will appear right here. And also there are a few handy shortcuts. Let's go through them one by one. Open other projects. This option lets you open any saved NVivo project from your computer or an external drive. Example, if you have worked on a project last week and saved it in a folder, you can simply click here, browse to that location and open it directly. No need to start from scratch. It is super handy when you are switching between multiple research projects or versions of your work. Cloud projects. Now this one's for those using the NVivo Collaboration Cloud. It allows you to save and access your project online, which is especially useful when you are working with a research team. So instead of emailing project file back and forth, you all team can collaborate in real time, adding cards, uploading data, and running analysis together from anywhere. If you have a Lumira account linked to your NVivo license, you can manage all your cloud projects from here. Application option. Think of this as your setting for preference area. Here you can personalize how NVivo look and behave. You can adjust things like your display language, interface color theme, autosave options, or even set where your files get saved by default. It is a great idea to take a minute and check these settings when you first start. It will make your workflow smoother later on. About NVivo. And finally, this section gives you all the technical details about your NVivo version. When you click it, you will see your current version number like NVivo 15.2 and information about updates or your license. If you ever need technical support or want to confirm that you are running the latest version, this is where you check it. It is also where you will find links to the official NVivo website and release notes for new features. Now right in the middle of the home screen, you will see a few big tiles. These are your main shortcuts to get started in NVivo. New project. This is where your research journey truly begins. Click here when you are ready to start a brand new project from scratch. You'll be asked to give your project a name, choose where to save it, and maybe even add a short description. It is like opening a fresh note just for your research. Everything you import, code, or analyze will be organized under this new project. Sample project multi-method. This one's really helpful if you are still learning how NVivo works. It comes with ready-made sample data like interviews, surveys, and articles, so you can test out features without using your own file yet. You can practice coding, create visualizations, and see how data connections work in real example. Per project automated insight. This one is all about NVivo Smart Tool. It includes data that let you see how NVivo automatically detect themes, keywords, and sentiments using AI features. It is a great way to understand how the software can assist you in quickly summarizing large amount of text, a real-time saver for qualitative researchers. More sample projects. If you are curious for more, just click here. We'll find extra example projects that highlight different research method and analysis type. Each sample gives you a slightly different learning experience. So you can explore what fit your research style by style best. These sample projects are super useful, especially when you are new to NVivo. You can explore freely, make mistakes, and experiment without worrying about damaging your real data. It is the best way to build confidence, and once you get comfortable, you will be ready to start coding your own research material like a pro. Next, you will see your account section. Here it shows your login name, account name, and can click manage account to change your details or password. You can also log out anytime from this panel. Moving over to the center right, we have got the getting started panel. This section highlights new updates, like here you can see the banner for NVivo 15.2. There's also a short getting started tutorial video, perfect for beginners, and below that a quick link to help where you will find official NVivo documentations and user guide. Finally, on the far right side, you will see the Learn and Connect section. And this area is one of my favorite because it is all about learning support and staying connected with the NVivo community. This section gives you direct links to everything you need beyond the software itself. Let's go through them one by one. Customer Hub. This is your go-to place whenever you need help. It includes FAQs, user guides, troubleshooting tips, and direct links to technical support. If your NVivo ever gives you an error or you are unsure about a feature, the Customer Hub usually has a clear step-by-step solution ready. NVivo Community. Here's where things get interactive. It is an online space where researchers, students, and professionals from around the world share their experience with NVivo. You can ask questions, learn how others are using NVivo for their projects, and even get ideas for your own research workflow. It is like a digital research hub, supportive, collaborative, and full of insight. NVivo Academy. This one's perfect for learners. The NVivo Academy offers free and paid online courses that teach you everything from basic coding to advanced data visualizations. You can follow video tutorial, complete exercise, and earn certificates. Each is great to add to your academic or professional profile. Free transcription. NVivo sometimes offers free transcription credit for new users. This is really helpful if you are working with interview or focus group recording. Instead of typing them out manually, you can upload the audio and get quick, accurate transcript to start coding right away. Request a feature. This one is a great touch. If you have ideas for new features for improvements, you can share them directly with the NVivo development team. They actually review user feedback when planning updates. Your suggestions could shape future versions of the software. And of course, right at And of course, right at the bottom, you will see all the social media icons, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, YouTube, and others. You can follow NVivo on these platforms to keep up with new tutorial, feature releases, and research success stories shared by the community. So overall, the Learn and Connect section is your direct ride to the NVivo world, a space where learning never stops and support is always just one click away. So that's your quick tour of the NVivo 15 home screens, the perfect place to start your data analysis journey. From here, you can easily create your first project, explore sample files, and access all the learning tools you need. If this video helped you understand NVivo better, don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe to Imalsha's research guide. Hit the bell icon so you'll get notified when the next episode drops. See you in episode 6.
Stay tuned with Imalsha's research guide.